This K&N air intake system is designed to increase power and acceleration by reducing restriction in the intake path. K&N 69-4521TS air intake fits 2011 Chevrolet CRUZE and 2009 through 2012 VAUXHALL ASTRA MK6 and OPEL ASTRA J models with 1.4-liter turbo engines. It comes with K&N's famous million-mile limited warranty. The 69-4521TS air intake is not legal for highway use in California or other states adopting California emission standards. Check knfilters.com for an up-to-date list of models this air intake fits and for a list of other CARB adoption states. K&N power testing showed an estimated power gain of 6 horsepower at 5,000 RPM with the 69-4521TS air intake installed on a 2011 Chevrolet CRUZE with a 1.4-liter engine. Actual results will vary depending on condition of the vehicle, mileage, weather, and other variables. With the air intake installed, we ran the vehicle on the dyno to test the sound comparison versus the stock intake. The intake system includes components that have been designed or matched to the needs of these vehicles to produce a safe horsepower increase. Detailed installation instructions are included with this kit. The tools needed for this install are shown. Turn off the ignition and disconnect the negative battery cable. Release the locking tab, then disconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Disconnect the airbox drain tube from the airbox. Loosen the hose clamp securing the stock intake tube to the intake elbow. Lift the airbox assembly to dislodge it from the mounting grommets. Then remove the airbox from the vehicle. Unhook the two clips that secure the airbox drain tube to the inner fender. Then remove the drain tube from the vehicle. Remove the front motor mount bolt. This bolt will be reused in a later step. Install the provided rubber-mounted studs onto the heat shield mounting bracket. Install the heat shield mounting bracket onto the motor mount and secure with the factory bolt removed in step 7, but don't tighten it at this time. Remove the 2 screws that secure the mass air sensor to the factory airbox. Then remove the mass air sensor from the airbox. Install the mass air sensor into the K&N intake tube and secure with the provided hardware. Install the 4 provided 6mm studs into the filter adapter. Install the provided edge trim onto the heat shield. Assemble the tube, heat shield, and filter adapter along with a gasket on each side of the heat shield and secure it with the provided hardware. Loosen the hose clamp securing the intake elbow to the throttle body so that the intake elbow position can be adjusted. Install the intake assembly into the factory intake elbow and align the heat shield with the rubber-mounted studs installed onto the mounting bracket. Align the intake for proper fit and secure it with the hardware provided and factory hose clamps. Install the K&N air filter onto the filter adapter and secure it with the provided hose clamp. Connect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Reconnect the vehicle's negative battery cable. Double check to make sure everything is tight and properly positioned before starting the vehicle. It will be necessary for all K&N high-flow intake systems to be checked periodically for realignment, clearance, and tightening of all connections. Failure to follow the above instructions or proper maintenance may void warranty. K&N makes products for nearly every vehicle on the road. The K&N website allows you to search products by vehicle or dimension, download installation instructions, view dyno charts showing estimated horsepower gains for this product, and view product details. For information on where to buy K&N products, go to knfilters.com.